Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Shawna. This is your first time here, please click the subscribe button down below. I appreciate all your support. Welcome to another plant-based recipe, and today I just show you how I cook gungo peas or pigeon pea soup with some basic ingredients, so stay tuned for this video. So guys, here are some ingredients that I have for my pigeon peas gungo pea soup, and this soup I will not add any coconut milk to it. Yes, so if you do not like coconut milk, you're allergic, then this is for you. Here I have some of the ingredients: corn, carrot, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, green banana, pumpkin, Irish potato, yam around here, dasheen, sweet potato, and okra. I put the quantity and the ingredients in the description box below, so you can click that to see what I use. So what I did, I had 1 1/4 cup of gungo here. It has been soaking from morning. You can do it overnight as well, and it has doubled in size. And I have 2 pegs of garlic. So the first thing I will do is to transfer the gungo peas to my pot, and I'll cook it because it will be easier to cook by soaking it for a period of time. Reduce the cooking time. I added 7 cups of water to the pot, and in here I have the soaked peas, and I'll add it to the pot. I have 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to crush it and add it to the peas because I want it to have some flavor, and garlic is very good for you, so try that. I'm also going to add a bunch of thyme to the pot, so it can cook with some flavor because I'm not using any coconut milk. I have some pumpkin. I thoroughly washed it. You want to make sure you wash all your the vegetables. Take the skin off. I will cook it with the skin, and this is to add richness and flavor to the soup. I give it one more cut. So I'll now add my pumpkin and let it cook, and I'll pop the lid on and cook until the peas are tender. So you may need to add additional water to it if it requires it. So see you then. So I'm going to knead my dough. I have 1 1/2 cups of flour in here, and I added some salt, like probably a 1/4 teaspoon, and in here I have 1/2 cup of water. I use the spoon to start off with. You can use your hands. So you gradually add water. Mix until all the dry ingredients are combined together. So at this stage I use my hands and combine. I still have more flour in there, raw flour, so I'll just add some more water. So here is our dough. So I just put it aside until I'm ready to make my dumplings. Okay, so now that the peas is cooked, I will proceed to crushing the pumpkins. You could take them out the pot, crush it in a plate, re-add it back to the pot. I will also take out the stem of the thyme, and now add my cut veg to the pot. I will also add 3 more cups of water here. Washed and chopped 6 okra, so I'll add it to it and pop my lid on and let it cook for 10 minutes. Then I'll add some more ingredients. So guys, so this is being cooked. As you see, the pot is bubbling. I cut thin slice pumpkin and dice it up fine. I have the 2 green fig or banana. I have 1/2 of the yam, soft yam that I had, and 1 Irish potato, and I dice all of them. This is not a big pot. And now with my flour I will make some spinners. So you take a little piece. So I'll also make some small round dumplings, some real small soup dumpling. So guys, I'll pop the lid on and let this cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, so what I did was to take out some of the food because the pot was too small and I wanted the food to cook properly. I'm going to season my pot now with some thyme, scallion, 2 stalks of scallion chop, and I have 2 small green scotch bonnet pepper, vegetable soup mix, or you can add vegetable stocks. I use half of this, and if it wants more then I'll add more to it. So I'll stir, and guys, it's looking lovely. This doesn't have any coconut milk. If you do not like coconut milk, I'll probably make a version with coconut milk. And you can see my spinners are floating. That means they're cooking or almost cooked. I'll give it a taste now to see if I want to add additional salt to it. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt, not a lot. You see all these colors? This is so lovely, guys, very lovely. So I'll let this cook for another 5 minutes and then I'll plate up. This is our finished product, guys. As you can see, it's very rich, and it's because of the pumpkin that I use, and it's now ready to be consumed. So I'll make a plate. So this is the finished product. You can see my gungo, my banana, my fig, my banana, carrot, my corn, my spinners. Yeah, I have a soup without spinners. My sweet potato, my yam. This is a complete meal. If you try this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I do appreciate all my viewers and my subscribers. Until my next video, see you. Do have a blessed day and a blessed week.